Okay, I am making a stew, and what I did was I sauteed some leeks with some carrots, some baby carrots, and some bell peppers, and they're all swimming in this nice, and I basically sauteed it with a little bit of the avocado coconut oil. You can use the extra virgin olive oil if you'd like, but I really like the flavor of the avocado oils. And basically what I did was I sauteed, and then I added some cubed tomatoes, and I'm going to go ahead and add my fish to that, and I'm going to allow that to simmer. And this is so healthy. This is some cod, so we need to put more cod into our whitefish into our diets. And I'm going to go ahead and add some beans to that. Yes, add some beans. Those are canola beans. You can get those. Those are organic canola beans. And just put some salt on those, like that. And then if you just want to put your seasonings on there, you can. I'm going to go ahead and put some 21 seasonings. I have garlic in there as well, so I forgot to tell you that I had garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and put some 21 seasoning on that, and you can never put too much seasoning, so that's a good amount of seasoning. And I also have paprika in there, and so I have some paprika and some pepper and some smoked paprika. And then what I'm going to do, allow that to poach. And I'll tell you, it's going to be an incredible pot. And it's healthy, and it's good, and it's delicious, and it's good for you, because it's white fish. All right.